Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing another Valentine's Day inspired eye look here, and what I did is I didn't actually like plan on doing this. I planned on doing like a Valentine's Day look, but what I ended up like turning it into is I used only products that you can either get like in the drugstore section at Ulta at a drugstore or online for a drugstore price. So this is kind of like kind of a simpler drugstore priced Valentine's Day look. Also, I didn't talk about like the prices of each individual item, but I will have like little pop-ups on the screen that show you, so make sure to look out for those. Alright, so if you guys like this look and you want to see how I got it and you want to see some good nice price tag items, just keep watching. Alright, so I've already primed my eye with the Wet n Wild PhotoFocus eyeshadow primer. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab my Cala 415 brush and I'm going to dip into the brow bone shade in the Wet n Wild Poster Child little palette right here. And this isn't limited edition. I'm pretty sure that this is like one of their staple palettes, so you can still get it. But yeah, I'm just going to grab the brow bone shade, the lightest pink right here, and I'm going to kind of just work that into the crease area and under my eye and use that one as my transition shade. Alright, so then after that, on the same brush and in the same palette, I'm going to grab the eyelid shade, which is just the next deepest pink shade. And I'm going to go back over the areas where we just put that transition color and just try to kind of like make that pink color pop a little bit more. I don't normally use Wet n Wild eyeshadow palettes, and I don't really know why, because they blend really nicely and the colors are really nice. I don't know, I always like forget about them and end up like going to like Makeup Geek or something like that, but they're actually like really good quality for their price. I'm also just running that one under my eye. Alright, and then I'm going to switch brushes over to my Morphe M330 brush, and again, going into that same Poster Child palette, I'm going to grab the crease shade, so the darkest pink, and I'm going to actually put that one in the crease. And again, switching brushes over to my little Glam Beauty pencil brush, I'm going to take that crease shade again and just run that under my eye. If you guys like hear weird noises in the background, by the way, like just like weird creaking noises or anything, it's like super windy outside and I feel like my walls keep making like really loud noises. Alright, so after that I'm going to grab my Morphe B77 brush and I'm going to grab the Makeup Geek shade Simply Marlena, which is this pink one right here, and I'm just going to pat that one over the outer half of my eyelid. Then I'm going to switch over to my Morphe MB47 brush and I'm going to pick up more of that Simply Marlena shade and dab it underneath of my eye. And I'm just keeping this one really close to the lash line. Alright, so then next on my small MAC shadow brush, I'm going to switch over to the BH Cosmetics Wild Child palette, and I'm going to pick up some of this the light shimmery pink right here, and I'm going to pat that on this inner half of my eyelid. And I'm also going to put that shade on the inner corner of my eye and a little bit on my brow bone. Alright, and then just on my finger, I'm going to pick up some of the shade Bubbly from Colourpop, which mine is like really drying out because this is the first Colourpop eyeshadow that I've like ever bought before, and I don't think that, like, I'm pretty sure that the cap didn't get like screwed all the way on or something because it's like kind of dry now, but it's like this shimmery pink shade, and when you do, like, if you do get it when it's new, it's absolutely gorgeous. Now it's just like, it's still pretty, but it's kind of like more crumbly than it was in the beginning. But I'm just gonna like use my finger and pat it over top of this inner corner here just to add a little bit more pinky sparkles. What I really wanted to do with this look is, instead of like this area right here, I really wanted to use, I think the shade is called Rose of the NYX Face and Body Glitter. I don't have it. I picked it up and I almost bought it one day, but I didn't. But when I was like doing this look, I was like, that glitter would look really pretty with this. Alright, and then I'm just going to use a fan brush. I'm using my Cala 411 brush, but you can use any, whatever brush you want to. And I'm just going to like brush off any of that glitter that might have gotten down onto my cheek. Alright, and then I'm just going to kind of start to work backwards like what I normally do. So I'm going to switch back to my Morphe B77 brush and pick up more of that Simply Marlena shade and just kind of dab it over here just to kind of like get rid of any glitter that got onto this outer half here, and to just kind of like brighten that pink back up. And then again, just switching back to my Morphe M330 and my Cala 415 brush, I'm just going to work backwards from like the darkest pink to the middle shade and then the lightest, just to like help blend all of this out. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and do the other wing, and I'm going to use the NYX Matte Liquid Liner right here. I'm going to do it off camera because I really want to make sure that it gets equal to this one, because I feel like I did a really good job on this wing today. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to throw on my Maybelline Mega Plush Mascara and then my other Salon Perfect 615, and I will be back. Okay, so while the glue is drying on that lash, I'm going to go ahead and do my lips. And I'm not going to go too crazy with them. I'm not going to do like some crazy bright color. But what I am going to do, obviously I'm going to put my chapstick on, as always. But I'm going to use the Wet n Wild lipstick in 531C Breeze, which is kind of like this light pinkish, like shimmery color. And I'm just going to pop that on my lips. This is like a super comfortable lipstick, and I love how it makes my lips look like wet-ish. It's like metallic-y kinda. Alright, and then after the glue has dried, I'm just going to pinch them together and push them up so that they mesh together with my eyelashes and that they're kind of like more up. And I'm just going to run that NYX liquid liner just like over the band so that it doesn't show. Alright, and then just as like my final step that I always do is I'm just going to spritz my face with the Lumene Defend and Replenish Antioxidant Mist and then set everything with the L'Oreal Infallible Setting Spray, which this is a drugstore item. They're both actually drugstore items, but this is more of a drugstore price, so sorry about this, but I'm using it anyway. Alright guys, so this is the completed look right here. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button down below and to subscribe to my channel before you leave if you have not already. As I always do, I'll list all the products that I used, the brushes that I used, where I get my jewelry from, all of that stuff. The social is all listed down below in the description box. Alright, I hope you all have a great day and I will see you in the next one. Bye!